Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got the folding Corona 3 on the bench here today. This typewriter has been revived and reconditioned and is working good and is ready to go back, except for one final detail, which we are going to do on camera today. Going to put some feet on this typewriter. F-E-E-T, feet. Okay, so let me put some protection down here, just in case this little guy wants to slide around a little. Alright, so what we got here is special little feet in these little cone-shaped containers here. I've actually already done these two down here in the rear. These are replacement feet, and here's what those little feet look like. They're nice and sturdy, nice, just perfect. The biggest trouble I had was getting the old material out of these cones. This stuff was rotted in here pretty good. So let's take a look here and see what it takes to get this off. So let's see, this one's a little more, it just crumbles. Yeah, the other ones were bad. So now we just got a core in there. So just need to get something, pry something in there, push it on in there. Let's see if I can pop this thing out. And this is as few pieces as possible. Oh, look at that, it's going to come out. I think it's going to come out one piece. The other one's crumbled. And I had to piece them out piece by piece. Look at that. Oh, my God, it came out one piece. Okay, pretty neat. Okay, so that looks pretty clean already since it didn't have any residue in here. I don't have to clean that out too much. And we're not going to apply any glue or anything to this. These are very form-fitting. It's got a little curvature that kind of matches the curvature of the cone here. So all you got to do is just initially get it on there, lined up, and then just push it on through. It's very snug, and once it's in there, it's tight, so tight you can't even turn it. It's very nice. Very nice fitting. Well, that went pretty quick. Let's just do the other one since we got it on camera here. Yeah, that one's crumbling too. Now, part of the problem with these front feet, they're these bad ones, you know, they were only squished, but the shift mechanism interferes with the bulging of the old foot. So you either have to deal with that separately or replace the feet. Now this is coming out too. Well, maybe. Wow, pretty close. Wow, I can't believe that came out. One piece, those rear ones must have had a little more weight to them or something. They were definitely in there a little tighter. Okay, that looks pretty good. Alright, so 1 foot left. Let's try this one, see. Now, I have seen these cones get bent, so if they're bent, probably have to straighten them out a little bit. Oh, that's right in there. That's a good fit. Alright, let's put this thing down on the floor and see how she looks. Towel out of the way. Because this is what would happen before these. The shift would catch, the mechanism would catch. But it's perfectly clear now. Same thing on this side. Doesn't even come close, so we don't have to worry about that anymore. Alright, that's good. Nice solid feet. They feel good, it's balanced. So this is all even Steven right now. really look pretty good. All right. Well, I got these from Scott. I ordered them off eBay from Scott. I will put a link in the description for these. So if that doesn't work, you can always contact me in the comments and I'll make sure I get you the source on these. But this is ready to go with new feet. All right. Phoenix Typewriter. Good day.